Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I want to look at the grammar that goes with present subjunctives but in the negative. Okay, so for example, a present subject. I suggest that you be here tomorrow. Okay, so how do we make that negative? I suggest that you not be here. So you put the not between the subject and your present subjunctive. I suggest that you not be here. I ask that you come early. I ask that you not come late. Okay. It is advisable that you not have too many clothes. It is essential that you not drink too much water before the operation. It is urgent that this not be done after 4 o'clock. I am adamant that this should not be done. This not be done. Okay, so notice this. We're just adding a not. For example, with lest. Yeah, I will take extra money lest I not have enough money. Okay, so using this present subjunctive in the negative, all you need to do is put a not. To make the present subjunctive, you take the subject and the infinitive of the verb, the bare infinitive without to, and you don't add any s's, you don't add anything else. So, lest I be late, lest I not be early. Okay. We also could use subjunctives with whether. So whether it rain or not rain tomorrow, the event will go ahead. Okay. It is a must that you not arrive after 3 p.m. It is essential that you not do this. It's essential that you not go into this area. So all you're doing is just adding a not. We don't add a don't or a doesn't or a didn't. In the imperfect subjunctive you do. Yeah, and the imperfect subjunctive is very easy. But with the present subjunctive, it is advisable that you not eat meat. It is essential that you not do this slowly. It is vital that every member not be late. Yeah, she is anxious that you not go away. She is keen that you not be hurt. I am determined that it not remain a secret. Okay, so that's how to use it. Okay, so just adding a not. Okay, so it is essential that you not stop studying English on a regular basis. Okay, so it's just a nice easy one to do. I don't know. Yeah, so heaven help us. Heaven not, well, the devil not help us. There's another example as well. So just add not, nothing else. You could also add should. Yeah, it is essential that you should not arrive late. It's essential that you not arrive late. It's vital that this not be done tomorrow. Yeah, it is vital that this should not be done tomorrow. So you can also use should as well. Should is easier with these present subjunctives, but I prefer it without because it shows your ability in English. It shows your grammatical abilities. So there you go. I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Okay, it's not essential that one give the video a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Making negatives for the present subjunctive. Negative present subjunctives.